Hi guys, I want to do this video basically on this look that I'm wearing today. It just features like plums and pinks on the eyes to make it semi-dramatic for a party, and then the rest of the face is just very fresh and pink. So for all the wintry party nights, this is something that would look really nice, I think. Even though this might not be what you're wearing to a wintry party night, though honestly if you're a Delhi girl, we are kind of like polar bears. We can pretty much wear anything, especially at New Year's. It doesn't matter how cold it gets, we can wear any dress we want to. So this look is basically a nice kind of semi-dramatic party look to rock for winter night. So I'm going to be using the Sleek Oso Special palette. I know, surprise, surprise, I'm always using this palette in almost all my looks. I'm be using this matte shade first, and then I'll follow it up with this really dark kind of shimmery shade. Starting with the MAC 217, my favorite. And then, like I always say, just figure out where your crease is and place your shadow right over there. And this basically gives like a wash of a brownish plum kind of a shade. If it looks a little unblended right now, it's fine, we'll blend it out later. After that, I'm going to take my slightly dense blending brush, which is like this. It's not as fluffy as the MAC 217, it's more dense together. And I'll be taking this really dark shimmery plum shade over here. And then I'm going to draw like a V shape over here on my eye with this shadow. And then finally, I'm going to take a flat shader brush like this, and then I'll be using this shimmery pink duochrome shade all over my lid. So on the lower lash line, what I'm going to do is put the darker kind of burgundy shade on the outer corner, and then the shimmery pink, I'm going to take it all the way inside. So finally, I'll be using the Maybelline Hyper Glossy Eyeliner to complete this look. Finally, take your eyelash curler, your mascara, and you're set. So I'm using MAC Dolly Mix, and I'm using this new blush brush I have. This is like, I think it's called, the 126 Luxe Cheek Finish brush by Zoeva, and I'm using this to blush my cheeks. And to finish it, I'm using Colorbar's Dreamy Pink lipstick. This is the shade 005 Dreamy Pink. And then I'm going to add my favorite lip gloss over it. This is the Guerlain Gloss Denfert in 468. And that's it. This is an easy look that's complete, and you can head out for your party right after this. Hope you like this look, guys, and you're going to try it out for the next party you attend. Show me pictures when you do. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also leave me like tutorial requests or what you guys want me to do, because I always run out of ideas as to what kind of tutorials you want to see. So if there's something specific, then let me know and I'll do that the next time. Bye.